What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I finally got my hands on some new products. I told you in the last video, if you haven't watched that, when I remodel and remake my bedroom, I tried my best to get my hands on the Nintendo Switch, but I couldn't get my hands on it. But luckily I had a good friend that was going back to the States that got it for me. I got it sent to his house. So we're going to quickly unbox it. I'm going to tell you my initial thoughts on the new Nintendo Switch Lite. We also have some accessories for it. I'm going to tell you guys right off the rip how I feel about it. So if you're interested in what I got to say, stay tuned for the rest of the video. Alright guys, let's get it started. So, I told you I'll be showing you a new video of what I got in my student tech bag. So be looking for that video also. This book bag I got from my lady, bought this for me. She was mad, I didn't say it last time, but she bought this for me. My Herschel book bag, Lakers edition. So, let's open it up, let's get these parts out. Oh, do you want to get the good stuff out first? Let's get the small stuff out first. Before we get to that, I also bought a swimsuit for my GoPro Hero 7 Black. I plan on going to a resort this weekend, and we will be going to the beaches and to all these places. I'm going to take this. I was going to skimp out and buy a third-party one, but I said I don't want to. I want to get the official stuff. So this is the super suit for the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I just throw it out the way. You got your original paperwork and stuff like that. It's pretty much nothing but a suit. You got your knobs that goes to your GoPro Hero 7 and the actual super suit itself. Oh, sorry. The actual thing itself. The GoPro Hero 7 is waterproof, but up to only a certain amount of feet. I'll put right here how waterproof it is, but with this you can go down a lot further and not have to worry about if your GoPro might experience some type of malfunction due to the water. So that's a GoPro Hero 7 super suit. Let's get into the rest of the video. That's not what you came here for. You came here to see the Nintendo Switch Lite. We're gonna get to that right now. So the first thing we got was this right here, Nintendo Switch Lite carrying case. Oh, and it came with a screen protector. So let's open this up. Let's get in there. I don't have any unboxing knives with me, so we're just gonna thug it out and get in there as quickly as possible. I don't really care about these boxes. So I was looking for a case that was protective and also looked good at the same time. Minimalistic design, you guys know what I go for. So this is the official Nintendo Switch Lite carrying case and screen protector. See that right there. Links to everything I got will be in the description as usual. And before I continue, I want to thank all you guys. We finally hit over 100 subscribers now, and like I told you, we'll be doing that giveaway soon, so be looking out for that when I do my next unboxing haul for the winner of that giveaway. So the screen protector isn't a glass screen protector, it's a plastic screen protector, which is better than nothing, because we all know how those Nintendo Switch screens are. My last Nintendo Switch screen did get scratched a little teeny bit. So this is the case itself. Open it up. Very minimal. I like that design, that almost like white on gray design, which is very beautiful. And we got the plastic screen protector along with it. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. You guys know how that goes. I bought this, I can easily throw it in my bag. Like I said, when you see what's in my student tech bag, this will be in there along with my Nintendo Switch Lite. It's right here. So I elected to go with the actual teal or turquoise color. This is the teal one. I know people are torn within to get this one, the yellow one, or the gray one. I myself was torn between the yellow and this teal. I watched Judd from Your Average Consumer. He got this one. I saw how beautiful it was, and I've seen so many reviews on YouTube of how beautiful this color was. I decided to go with it also. So let's get them and tell you guys how I feel about this off the jump. We all know what you get in the box. You probably see 1,000 of these videos over and over and over and over again. But in the box, you start it right out. I really did some unboxing because I got a game from one of my friends. Yes, that's very small. So we'll set it to the side for a second. And inside you get your books and stuff. No one reads. I do enough reading in school. Throw it to the side. You get a charger cable. Let me tell you guys a story about my old Switch while I'm doing this. My old Switch bricked for some reason. I don't know if I got to use a bad charger, but I gotta send that one back to the Nintendo store and maybe they're gonna repair it for me. They told me 50 bucks to replace it. I'm gonna do that very soon. This will be my actual portable Switch. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is nice. Oh, the feel is way different. The feel is way different. I see what everyone's talking about. It has a more, even though it's plastic, it has a grippy feel on it. I can't really describe how it feels. It feels like it has a layer. The paint they use is a lot more abrasive. Is that the word I can use? Abrasive, a lot grippier, which is pretty cool. The buttons are clickier. I heard it had the same analog sticks on it though. But overall, this is a very cool design. Let me see if it has any battery inside of it. Oh yeah, so here we go. It's cutting on now. Nintendo Switch. Like I said, this will be my portable gaming solution. I know a lot of people are testing out the Apple Arcade right now, which I'm doing the same thing, so be looking out for that video also. But when I don't want to take my iPad with me, this will be my gaming solution. I'm actually testing out, I know it's an older game now, but it's probably still one of the best games on Switch still. Zelda Breath of the Wind. Zelda Breath of the something. I'm testing that out. I got that from one of my friends at school. But guys, I think Nintendo Switch will be an awesome addition to my setup. I'm going to test it out for a few days and come back and tell you guys exactly how I feel about this gaming solution, if it's worth spending the 200 bucks on it. But right now, I can tell just from my experience with it right now, if you are new to the Nintendo Switch game and you want to get something and not have to worry about spending a whole bunch of money on it or being iffy about it, go ahead and pick up the Nintendo Switch Lite. It's 200 bucks opposed to the big brother to the regular Nintendo Switch, which is 300 bucks. So I appreciate you guys who watched the video so far. Let's throw it inside of the case. But show you guys how it looks. Let's set it to the side. I want to scratch it up. I'm a little OCD about my tech products. And I'll put this on a little later. Show you guys how it looks. So just like this, it goes in there. Zip her up. We can easily throw it in our backpack and go. But that's my initial impressions on Nintendo Switch Lite. I think it's a very cool product for what it is. I don't think it's a replacement for the Nintendo Switch. I think it's an alternative for the regular Nintendo Switch. I think, like I said before, I think if you are looking for something to fully replace your Switch, this thing that, because it's not really a Switch in my own opinion, because it doesn't dock. But that's my opinions on it so far. If you're new to the channel, do me a favor, hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, and be on the lookout for all brand new videos. This Tech Western Bacon.